All right, so we just set up and used the buddy pole on a tripod. This is the venerable FT891, my iPad running MacLogger DX HD. And then let's walk over and get a little closer look at the antenna. So we've got the coil tapped for 20 meters here. And I started to disassemble it, but I decided to shoot a video before I did that. So the antenna connects here. These tripod legs just fold up, and then this uses an elevated counterpoise. So you need to keep it up off the ground a little bit. And I happen to have an extra tripod with me, so that's what I used. And by the way, here we are on the Tennessee River, right next to a power generation facility run by the Tennessee Valley Authority. And there's my lovely wife over there surfing the internet. So yeah, we'll conclude this video and pack things up before it gets dark so we can head on home. But first, let's see how close we can zoom in on this fishing boat here. There they are. Probably catching catfish. That's my guess. All right, so long.